So, there is the reason why there are 4 extra chairs in here. Okay? These are for volunteers. Norm had done this years and years ago at Pikes Peak. He was also a volunteer during the early age of this program. So, I won't call you unless you want to be a volunteer. Okay? Brenda is actually a volunteer. She flew from California just to be here. Yes. Please. So this is the premium seat. Volunteer number 4. Do you like to be a volunteer? Would you like to be a volunteer? Would you like to be a volunteer? Okay. It's still part of the group. A different purpose for later on. Okay. You'll be number 3. And if I run out of volunteer, I'm going to drag Norm. Okay, very good. Very good. Thank you. You're number 2 and number 1. Okay? No, you're number 3. I can change the role later on. Okay? So, I promise that in 5 minutes, before we even start, there is a bonus. It's already on the Vegas Dance Explosion website. We recorded it there on top of the stage last Tuesday. So now you are the ground version.
Oh no!
Okay, we're gonna do this as a stretching warm-up, sitting version. I do this for my line dance class, but this is for the music and motion class. Okay?